Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ridho Qarni and I will present you about building effective team. So now let's start. First, why effective team matters. For this one, I have a few key points I will include. First, drive innovative and creativity. This one teams combine diverse perspective and skills, leading to creative solution. For example, at Apple, cross-functional team of designer, engineer, and marketers collaborate, resulting in groundbreaking products like iPhone. For two, I have increased productivity and efficiency. A well-organized team divides responsibilities, maximizing strength, and speeding up for progress. Example, in a fast-paced restaurant, a shift server and managers work together seamlessly to serve a customers quickly and efficiently, increasing overall sales. For three, I have built strong workplace moral engagement. This one, when team members feel valued and work well together, a job satisfaction and engagement rise. For example, a global culture of collaboration fosters a positive work environment leading to high employee retention and creative background. For the explanation is, effective teamwork is crucial to an organization's success because it sparks creativity, boosts efficiency, and create a positive workplace culture. In companies like Apple and Google, I think the synergy of diverse team leads to innovation, while strong morals keeps employee motivated and engagement. Now, let's move to the other speed. For this one, I have characterism and effective team. This one, I have a few key points that I will include. And this one is have clear goals, defined roles, open communication, mutual trust, and diversity. For the explanation is for clear goals. Perform best when they have a clear, measurable objective. For the example is a sales team at a tech company has the goal of increasing sales by 20% in the next quarter, ensuring everyone knows what they are working towards. For two, I have defined roles. Each member has a specific responsibility, ensuring they contribute to the team's success. For that example, in a movie production team, a director focuses on the vision, the producer manages the budget, and the actor perform the roles, all aligning toward a successful film. For third, I have open communication. It means transparency and open dialogue prevent misunderstanding and keep everyone aligned. For example, during a product launch, a marketing team keeps communication open between designer, content creators, and managers, ensuring the campaign runs smoothly. 4. Mutual trust is building trust among the team members allow for better collaboration and reliability. For example, in startup, the team trusts each other to handle their tasks. So when unexpected challenge arise, everyone pins to resolve them. 5. I have diversity. A mix of skill, background, and perspective foster innovation. Example, a diverse team of engineer, designer, and marketers at a tech film creates to problem unique solution to problem because they approach them from different angles. Now, let's move to the other PPT. For this one is step to build an effective team. For this one, I have like 5 points that I will include. First, set a vision and goal. Define what the team aims to achieve and ensure everyone understands. For example, like a soccer team aiming to win a championship, every player knows their role in achieving victory. For two, choose the right people. Select a team members with the right skill, experience, and mindset. For example, for this one is a basketball coach pick a player for his strength, shooting, defense, or leadership. For three is foster open communication. Encourage clear, open communication for sharing ideas and feedback. For example, just like a pit crew in racing, constant communication ensures smooth teamwork and quick decision. Fourth one is encourage collaboration. action is promote teamwork through group tasks and shared responsibility. For example, a relay team relies on smooth handoffs, showing the importance of working together. The last one is provide training and research. For this one is give the team the tools and knowledge need to succeed. Example like athletes training with the right equipment and coaching to improve performance. Now let's move to the others. For this one is the role of leadership. For this one, I have like 4 points, and this one is first is lead by an example. Leaders model behavior like dedication, collaboration, and integrity. Example: a captain is sporting, trains the hardest, inspiring teammates to follow suit. For two, I have guidance. Act as a coach by offering support and advice without micromanaging. For example, a manager gives a clear direction but trusts the team to make decisions empowering them. For three, I have resolved conflict is address disagreement fairly to maintain team harmony and focus. For this one, it's like a leader in a workplace mediates between team members to find a solution that satisfies both sides. The last one is recognize achievement. Celebrate team and individual success to motivate and build confidence. For example, a CAO publicly acknowledge a top performing employees, boosting morale and encourage hard work. Well, the impact of this one is effective leadership provide team dynamics by building trust, boosting morale, and aligning everyone towards a common goal. For instance, a leaders like a Nelson Mandela inspired unity and preference, while modern leaders like Satya Nadella, that I know, is foster innovation and collaboration in organization. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, for this one is overcoming challenge in team building. For this one, I have like one, two, three, 4 points that I will include, and this one I will explain. First is conflict resolution. Is encouraging listening, empathy, and finding common ground to resolve disagreement. Well, for the example, two team members disagree on a project approach. A leader facilitates a discussion to align their goals and ideas. For two, overcoming silos. Break barriers by promoting cross-team collaboration and open information sharing. For this one, an example is department work together using shared tools like Slack or Trello to stay aligned and connected. Three is adapting to change. Help teams embrace change with the proper training and open discussion. Example: a company transition to a new software. Training session ensure everyone adapts smoothly. Four I is managing diverse teams. Celebrate diversity and ensure inclusivity and equity for all members. For example, in global terms, a cultural difference are valued through team building activities and inclusive policies. Well, for this one is the strategies is to use tools like open forum for communication, resolution workshop, and collaborative platform to tackle this challenge effectively. For example, a Google cross-functional team used to open communication and training to innovate seamlessly. Now let's move to next PPT. This one is tools for team building. For this one, I have four key points that I will include. First one is communication platform. Tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams enable seamless real-time communication. For example, team use Slack channel for project updates, keeping everyone informed and connected. For two is collaboration tools. Platforms like Asana, Trello, and Google Workspace streamline project management and task tracking. For example, a marketing team uses Trello boards to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress visually. For the third one, team building activities, workshop, retreats, and games strengthen relationship and building camaraderie. For example, a virtual scavenger hunt help remote teams bond and improve morale. For one is feedback system. For this one is regular surface and review identify areas for improvement and align team goals. For the example, an anonymous survey help leaders address team concern and boost performance. Well, how this tool works is just like Microsoft Teams enhances collaboration by providing chat with video calls and document sharing, while platforms like Asana keep tasks organized. Team building activities foster trust and communication, creating stronger and more aligned team. Now, let's move to next slide. For this one is measuring team effectiveness. For this one, I have four key points that I include. First is track key performance indicators. Measure output quality and adherence to deadlines. For example, a software team track project delivery, timelines, and bug-free code. For two is assess team dynamics. Use surveys or regular check-in to evaluate collaboration and morale. For example, monthly feedback sessions help address concern and improve teamwork. For three is gather gather feedback. Collect insight from a team members and stakeholders to identify improvement areas. For example, stakeholder feedback highlights area to refine process or communication. Or for one, celebrate milestone. Recognize team achievement to boost morale and motivation. For example, completing a project phase is celebrated at a team lunch or shootout. Well, the important is monitoring progress, help identify strength, address challenges, and ensure goals are met. Practical tips include using tools like dashboard or conducting a regular check-in and celebrating wins to maintain team momentum. Now let's move to the next slide. For next slide is conclusion. Well, for the conclusion, I have three key points. First is effective team drive organization success by fostering collaboration and innovation. Two is investing in the right people, process, and tools, ensuring long-term effectiveness. For the third one is leadership and open communication are foundation of teamwork. Well, the summary of this one is building a strong team is crucial for achieve success in any organization. By prioritizing collaboration, investing in the right research, and fostering effective leadership, we create an environment where everyone can thrive. Together, we can overcome challenges, innovate, and reach our goals. So let's continue working together to unlock our full potential. And I think that's all for me. And I'm sorry if I say wrong word and grammar or anything else. And thank you.